people who are usually coming to visit Alcatraz. They want to know the prison history. They're just so surprised that there's thousands of birds nesting on the island. On Alcatraz, there's myself and Morgan and the wildlife interns, and so we make up the bird team. We're both bird obsessed. Best part of the day is the morning rove. Can look at all the birds. Oh, we have the snowy egret parent just flew in to feed the chicks. Oh, the falcons are out. I feel like the peregrine falcons on Alcatraz know that they're the top bird here. So they're just incredible birds. They're an apex predator. They've adapted and evolved to be one of the fastest animals really in the world. They've been documented to go over 200 miles per hour when they're going into a stoop. The story of the falcons is one where, they almost went extinct because of DDT. And so there was a huge conservation effort to save the remaining falcons. Oh, I love it when the chicks are fledging and you're watching them leave the nest for the first time is always incredible because they're very shaky, just kind of gain the confidence to fly. Oh yes, there they are. My parents are originally from Argentina. I'm the first in my family to go to college. They encouraged me, they were supportive. I felt like a fledgling. So they're very proud that I made a career out of this. I think they still don't quite understand exactly what I do. I think they have some idea that I work with animals or play with animals or something like that. Oh, there's the falcon. That's one of the adults. Looks like he's just taking a break from being a falcon dad right now. I have a good time out here. When part of your job is watching birds, I mean, how can you not have a good time?
Oh, you can see the little head in front of the fence.
Oh, I see that.